All right, this one right here is for that drawer that nobody needs to be opening, right? Let me do y'all a favor and introduce you to this fingerprint lock. Now you can control how many fingerprints have access to it. You can actually control it with your app, right? You can unlock it, lock it, add a fingerprint, add a couple fingerprints. If you need to give somebody access for a temporary amount of time, you can do that too. Anybody can open it for a set amount of time. So if you need to be like, hey, yeah, it's just up there, go ahead and grab that out of that cabinet and you're not at the house, you can actually do that through the app. Now, what I want to show you guys really quick is it's a locking mechanism. And hopefully you can see that. There's a locking mechanism right there. All right, so what this is right here, you can see that right there. You press your fingerprint, that goes in, you twist this with the knob, and then it locks back in place just like that. Now, this is gonna replace any of those standard cabinets that have this type of a lock on it, right? There's a lot of cabinets that do have this type of lock. If you don't have a cabinet, like we don't have a cabinet on it, then you're gonna need to make sure that this depth is the right amount of depth on the cabinet door. And then when it locks like this, now I'm not saying this is the one we're doing, I'm just showing this example. We're gonna do one a little bit lower, but we're putting this on so that we're basically baby proofing. And I like this for that, as you know, to keep the stuff under the sink and giving access to whoever needs to have access to all that kind of chemicals and things like that. So that's actually our use case. It's a USB-C charger, comes with a couple different, let me show you the attachment. If you need to tighten this up right here, it comes with a wrench. It comes with a latch. If you have one of those latching mechanisms, you can latch it on the inside, and it comes with another one of these rings right here that you can actually screw into the cabinet. Drill your hole, screw it in on this side so that you can have that place, and then this goes through it on the other side. So basically everything you need to install this into your cabinet to keep things away from kids, to keep honest people honest, or just like geeking out on technology, guys. It's a fingerprint lock. I mean, how cool is that?